Hi, I'm Raquel Matus, Product Manager at Digi International. Today, we are continuing our discussion on Digi XBee 3 modules with Bluetooth functionality. Previously, we discussed the unique addition of the Bluetooth protocol to Digi's XBee modules. There are many exciting ways to use Bluetooth with XBee. Today, we'll continue to dig into how it's done. Joining me today are Alec Jahnke and Mark Grierson. Alec is Product Manager of the Digi XBee Cellular product family, and Mark is a field application engineer for the XBee family, specializing in short and long-range RF communication. Mark and Alec, welcome, and let's get started. Mark, how can Bluetooth be used for provisioning with an XBee-enabled device?
Thanks, Raquel. There's actually multiple ways that a customer can provision their devices with Bluetooth. Probably the first and most easy way to do this is download our XBee Mobile App. This will give you instant access to our radios, just like you had in XCTU or in our XBee Studio. Customers could also build their own application using our mobile SDK or software development kit. There's a Python engine on board, you've got your UART interface, then you've got a Bluetooth interface. You can build an application to send data to the MicroPython engine, and the MicroPython engine has its ability to set and read parameters as well. So there's multiple ways that you can configure this module remotely over Bluetooth.
And I would just add that it's the user data relay frames in particular that are very useful for our customers in order to translate information from one interface to another.
Yeah, absolutely. Great point.
I want to jump into a little deeper technical question. Alec, can you talk about GATT services on the XBee module, both for authentication and data transfer?
Absolutely. GATT is a key proponent that allows our customers to use the BLE functionality to read and write service data. And put simply, allows our customers to use our XBee products to act as a client or a server to read and write data to sensors and other components that are not directly connected to the XBee. It can also serve up data to those devices. Using GATT, a customer can assign characteristics, which can then be read via the XBee, written, or to notify or alarm other devices of certain values. This is a simple and economical method to publish and subscribe to information provided by other BLE devices within range from the XBee without having to have a wired connection.
Another question for you. XBee is unique in that it has MicroPython available for more advanced use cases. How do you leverage MicroPython and Bluetooth on a solution?
Bluetooth and MicroPython really pair very well together. I've seen customers that have scanned it for specific devices or device types. They parse and respond to advertisements and beacons, as well as create their own custom advertisements and beacons. And last but not least, they connect, pair, and bond with other BLE devices that offer their own GATT services. This can include anything from heart monitors, humidity sensors, light bulbs, and more.
So Mark, the XBee ecosystem includes a variety of tools and libraries used for developing, building, deploying, and managing XBee devices. Specifically for Bluetooth use cases, what tools do you use most frequently, and which libraries are a must for developers to know about?
Yeah, you're right, Raquel. The suite of XBee tools available is really quite comprehensive. In fact, I think it's industry leading. For example, developers should get familiar with XBee Studio. XBee Studio is the tool of choice for our XBee Cellular products and 2.4 gigahertz products. So start getting familiar with that. XBee Mobile App is also great for local provisioning. So you can download that, provision your modules via Bluetooth. It's a great tool to get familiar with. We also have a PyCharm plugin available that has many code examples for MicroPython. Many of them are specifically geared towards Bluetooth low energy. Other tools that we have a suite of libraries available in ANSI, Java, Python, C#, and other languages that users can use on their external host processors to get their mobile applications up and running. These libraries support the user data relay frames that we mentioned earlier to facilitate building applications to leverage the Bluetooth interface. Additionally, the XBee Mobile SDK, based on MAUI, allows customers to build their own applications on both Android and iOS devices. This software development kit can be used to create your own custom configuration tools and contains libraries to make it easy to configure and authenticate with XBee 3 devices over Bluetooth.
And Alec, how does having Bluetooth on Digi XBee modules facilitate communications with other devices or Bluetooth sensors?
Bluetooth on our XBee3 modules allows our customers multiple methods and protocols of using the Bluetooth for communication. Using GAP and GAT, you can query and read sensor values from devices even if you're not paired to them. XBees also allow you the ability to use standard formatted advertisements such as iBeacon and Eddystone, as well as creating or scanning for your own custom advertisements. The last use case I want to cover would be initiating a pairing between the XBee and another BLE device in order to communicate data between the two devices securely.
Thanks, guys. Great insight. Bluetooth opens up a whole new spectrum of IoT communication when it's paired or combined with Digi XBee modules. As always, if you have questions, drop a note in the comments section or feel free to contact us directly. Subscribe on YouTube and visit digi.com for more information. Thanks for watching.